Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a favorites video. I have not done a favorites video in a very long time, but I promised you guys I would do one for my last Where Have I Been video. So here is the favorites video. If you want to see what has been my current favorites for the past 6 or 7 months, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so since I have a lot of hair products to talk about, I'm going to start with the hair. I have some hair, some skincare, and some home kind of random stuff. So the first thing I want to talk about is what I've been using in my hair since my hair has been protective styled. I have been protective styling for the past almost 5 months now. So I have been using things to try to cleanse my scalp while my hair is like either in faux locks or these twists. So what I've been using to cleanse my hair in between washes, because I did not wash my hair with the faux locks. I did not wash my hair with the Senegalese Twists. I have literally just been using this this Shea Moisture Purifying and Hydrating Build-Up Blaster. It's with green coconut and activated charcoal. This here is supposed to, what it does, cleanse your scalp. So all I do, well, as you can see, I have like just a little bit left. It's a liquid and then it gets charcoal at the bottom, so you have to shake it up and then it becomes a build-up blaster, I guess is what it's called. But I would just go in between my locks and my twist and just put this all over my scalp and kind of massage it in, and this kind of took away the itchy dirtiness feel of my hair. And I let it dry couple hours and it was fine after that. This has been my lifesaver. I use this for my faux locks, like I said, and I also use this for my my twists. I've done this once a week. I've been doing it every Monday. So every Monday I would do a cleanse of my scalp. I would use this first to take up the buildup from my scalp, from my edge control, and of course the buildup on my scalp. And then also, which is my second favorite, I would go in behind it with this Head and Shoulders Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir. It's with cooling menthol and peppermint oil. This stuff, oh my gosh, I love it. This gives your scalp that cooling sensation. When I first got my hair done, it was really tight. So this actually gave my scalp like a cooling sensation after it kind of loosened my hair up, and it kind of gave me that, I don't know, it was just tight and hurting, so this soothed it. So I've been using this once a week. I would go in with this first, then I would go in behind it with this, and this has been my 2 lifesavers to keep my scalp clean during this protective styling. Okay, so this is gonna be like my favorite wash day routine. This is what I used before I started protective styling. So like in November, December, this has been my product that I've been loving and I've been using. I just haven't done a favorites video in a while to actually include it in, but I got this in the curl box some months ago. But this is the Palmer's Natural Infusion Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, and then the Lavender Rose Water Conditioner. I like the shampoo a lot because it really cleanses my scalp. The nozzle, I actually take it off and I just pour it in my hand, because this is good for like if you are protective styling. But like I said, I have not truly washed my hair because I don't want my hair to curl back up in the twist. So I have not truly washed my hair, but I washed my hair whenever it was free and not protective styled. And I really like this shampoo, and I really like this conditioner. This conditioner gave my hair a lot of slip, and I want to say I use this maybe 3 or 4 weeks straight. Like usually I rotate every week. I'm always trying new products, but this I love so much I kept using this. I kept using all of these items literally for 4 weeks straight, like a whole month. I did not use anything else. Every Sunday I washed my hair, I was using these products. So when I take my hair out, well, I have some new things to try now. I'm not going to use them now. If I wouldn't have new things to try, I would be using this again. That's how much I really liked it. So I use the cleanser and then the conditioner, and then I would go in and I would deep condition with this Miche Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. This stuff is bomb, can't even describe it. Like, it's just literally so good. I try deep conditioners all the time, but I have reverted back to the ones that I really like, and this one right here always remains to the top. I got this last year sometime, I want to say. I don't remember. It hadn't really been that long. Well, like I said, I did it for 4 weeks, so I really didn't want to use anything else other but this. I want to say maybe October, November of last year I got this, the end of last year, and I literally, since I started using it, I used it like straight. But it is super moisturizing, and if you use too much of this, you can over moisturize your hair. So I would offset it with a protein treatment in between. Like if I'm washing on a Sunday, my hair was dirty, I would probably wash it like on a Thursday, and then use a protein treatment, and then follow up with a moisturizer, this moisturizer on a Sunday, if that makes sense. So just so your hair won't get too much protein or too much moisture, it's good to balance it out. So this deep conditioner here is just so good, y'all. It smells so good. It smells like candy. Keratin, I have my niece in here. Come smell this. See, it's like literally, it smells so good. Smell it.
It do smell like candy.
Smell
like
candy, girl.
Caramel candy.
The caramel, yeah. It's like it's heaven. It's heavenly. It smells very good. It's black. This is a black-owned business that owns it. These products are only sold online. So the only way you can buy these is online. And I heard the rave about it on Instagram, I think, or maybe YouTube, I don't know, but they were saying about how good these products was, you know, you should try them. So I got the deep conditioner and the leave-in. If anybody asks me what's the best leave-in conditioner, hands down is this. It's M-I-C-H-E, but it's pronounced as Miche. This Miche deep conditioner and Miche leave-in conditioner, the baby's in the bassinet, so she's checking on the baby. The deep conditioner and the leave-in conditioner is just, it's bomb. I promise you will not go wrong. If you get these items, they're so good, and they're so moisturizing. Now if your hair is super dry, like in the wintertime for me, my hair was dry, these were my saving grace. This under a good gel was like the best wash and go that I got for the 4 weeks that I was doing my hair. I literally kept the same regimen for 4 weeks straight, and I really didn't feel like I needed new products, because I loved all of these so much. I used the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and a gel, and it was a bomb wash and go and a bomb wash day, and it worked. So I kept repeating doing that. So all right, moving on. So this is kind of random, but I like this body wash. This is the Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus. This one is the Shea and Rosemary Mint scent. As you can see, I practically used it, you know, down to here. This stuff is so moisturizing again on your skin. I actually use this as to shave. Like I would use this, put this underneath my arms and then shave with a razor. That's how like silky smooth it is. Like you can use it as a shaving cream as well. Oh, I use it as a shaving cream as well. I wash my body, then I go back even more, shave, do whatever I have to do, and then like my body just feels so nice and moisturizing. You know, it doesn't feel like my skin is stripped of its moisture. It feels like I walk out the shower and I can just dry myself off and I'm fine like that. But of course I go in with lotion afterwards. But this stuff is like super duper bomb. There's not much more I can say about it other than I really like this one. I have not tried any of the other scents. This is the only one I got from couponing. So this one, I like this one. I would repurchase it and pay full price for it, honestly. That's how good it is. Next, this is a current random favorite. Well, not random, it's facial. It's a facial. I got this in my BoxyCharm this month, I want to say. Is it this month or last month I got in my BoxyCharm? BoxyCharm is a makeup subscription that I get makeup sent to me every month. And it's skincare, makeup, whatever. So this came in the box for this. I want to say it was either April. It came in April's box or May's box. But since I got this, I have been using this too. But I use this very sparingly because this is very expensive. I don't know if I would pay full price for this, but this is really good. This is the Glamglow, which anything from Glamglow is expensive, but it's a more luxurious skincare line that's sold at Sephora. So this is the Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I use this at night. I use my Clean & Cure in the morning, and then I use this at night. And this stuff, like a little bit of it, like I rub my face and like it's like bubbles all over it. Like it lathers so good. I truly like this stuff, and my face does feel clean but not stripped. It's not. I don't really have sensitive skin to products, but it hasn't broken me out, and I like this too. This is really good. Alright, so last but not least, this is another thing. Now I've been using this literally since maybe September or October last year. Like, it's been a while. And this is the Laniege, I don't know how you pronounce it. Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. This is more like it's an expensive chapstick is what it really is. But I put this on at night, and like I said, I've been having this since literally October, and this is how much I have left in there. Like, I have a lot. You just need a very, very, very little bit. It goes a long ways. And I like how moisturizing it is in my lip, and I also love that it gives my lips like a nice plump look to it. I even use this during the day too. Like, I use this in the morning when I put my moisturizer on. I'll put this on my lips and then do what I have to do, you know, put my makeup on or whatever the case may be. And I also do it at night. I wash my face when I put my moisturizer on. I put this on, and it's bomb. It's really, really, really good. I keep using the word bomb, but I don't know. I love it. I love it, and it's really, really good. It is expensive. It's about $20, but like I said, if you think about it, if you're somebody who uses chapsticks or lip glosses a lot, then you probably go through a lot of them. And this one, like I said, you only just need a little bit, and it goes a very long way. Like, this may last me a whole year. So I would pay $20 for a whole year of chapstick in one thing. So and like I said, I like the way it gives it that glossy look. It doesn't, you know how like you can put Vaseline on your lips but you really can't see the gloss or the shine. This, you can see the shine, girl. You can see the shine. My husband loves the shine. It's bombed. It's bombed. Alright, so last but not least, this is the random favorite in the video. This is pretty random. As you guys know, we just recently bought a house at the end of March when we moved into this new house. It's not a brand new house, it's an older house, but it's a big house. So with it not being a brand new house, you don't have that new house smell. So I went to Bath & Body Works, and I got like, I don't know how many plug-ins around my house. I plugged them all up, and the same scent, because I wanted my whole house to smell the same. So, and like I said, we have 5 bedrooms, so it was a lot. I spent a lot of money on the plug-ins and the refills. So I plugged them all in, and about a week later, I'm like, I don't really smell them. And I'm like, I don't know if I got immune to it or what. I don't really smell them. So one of our numerous trips to Lowe's, I went and I said, I'm gonna try the Febreeze. I'm gonna try the Febreeze brand, and I'm gonna put this into my bathroom, in my master bathroom. This one plug-in literally scented up this whole side of this house from my bedroom. This stuff is so strong, and it's 10 times better than the ones at Bath & Body Works. Like, I wish I could take all of the ones that I brought and go bring them back and go just do my whole house in these. This stuff smells so good. I don't know what flavor. I think this is the Hawaiian flavor I may have brought. But I got the plug-in and the refill, and I want to say it was $9 or $10 for both of these. I paid more than that at Bath & Body Works. But this smells so bomb. Whenever you come into my house, come into our room, this is the first thing you smell. Like, it hits you like. And I said, we've been here a month, and I've only refilled it once. So that one refill that I had put in there lasted literally 30 days. And I just refilled it again. So this is the newest one, and it smells so good. So if you're looking for something that will make your house smell good and it's not super expensive, Febreeze is the one to do the job. My Bath & Body Works, it let me down. Now, I love their candles though. Their candles are bomb, but the plug-ins just didn't do it for my house. So yeah, Febreeze one that's brown, cheaper, and it's better. So I'm happy with that. Alright guys, so that completes this video. I tried to keep it short and sweet so it wouldn't be too long. I hope I didn't bore you guys, but I wanted to show you what I have been loving lately since I have not done a favorites video in a while. I miss you guys. I'm happy I'm back filming videos. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will check you out in my next video. Mwah! Bye!